Yes, student. Today we are going to start second chapter quadratic equation, that is exercise 2.4. We are going to do formula method. Is it clear? So b square minus 4ac, that is called as a discriminant. Okay. It is also called as a delta. b square minus 4ac को हम लोग delta भी बोलते हैं. Okay. And it is represented by symbol triangle. So b square minus 4ac. Note down fast. Note down in your notebook b square minus 4ac. Note down fast. Written? Yes. And its symbol is what? Its symbol is what? It is called as a delta. Okay. Its symbol is what? Delta. Yes. Now let's see. X is equal to formula minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. What? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is present in the root divided by 2a. That is the formula. Okay. Of to solve the equation by formula method. Sometimes what happens, because its name is formula method, so when in the exam the question comes like solve by formula method, so they are asking, sir, which formula we have to use? Here it is written formula method like this. Okay. So remember this, its name itself suggests it is a formula method. Okay. So what is the formula? Its formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. To find, first of all, we are going to find out b square minus 4ac. Okay. पहला हम लोग b square minus 4ac को find out कर लेंगे. क्या करेंगे इसको? b square minus 4ac को find out कर लेंगे. Okay. Then we will substitute in this value. Then we will substitute in this value b square minus 4ac. यहाँ पे हम उसको substitute कर देंगे. Okay. Let's start the exercise question. Practice set 2.4. First question. Comparing the given quadratic equation to the general form. You know what is the general form? General form क्या है quadratic equation का? Just write in a chat box. Chat box में लिखो yes, very good. Manjima, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Bhumi, correct. Love Yadav, your equation is wrong. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Revati, correct. Love Yadav का question equation wrong in general form. Yes. Dhanashri, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is the correct. It is also called as a general form or standard form. जनरल फॉर्म भी बोलते हैं और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म भी बोलते हैं. इसको हम लोग कंपेयर करेंगे एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी सी. इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now comparing x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. किससे कंपेयर कर रहे हैं हम लोग? जनरल इक्वेशन से. व्हाट इज द जनरल इक्वेशन? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now can you tell me what is the value of a? Yes, fast. What is the value of a? Yes, value of a is 1. Value of b? Yes, Akanksha, I think written. Many students have written, so it's not possible to write all the name, read all the name. Yes, so the value of b is minus 7 and the value of c, yes, very good. Yes, so We will write in this way: the value of A is 1, the value of B is -7, and the value of C is 5. Is it clear? Sure? Yes, very good. Put in the chat box. Okay? Chat box mein you can reply your answer. You are getting a chance to reply it. Like in the school or in the class, when you reply, when you are present in a class, you get a chance to give the answer. Like same way here also. But here you have to write in a chat box. Okay? Let's see the second question. 2m square equal to 5m minus 5. So what we have to do? Take this to the left hand side. Make it standard form. इसको हम लोग लेफ्ट में लेके आएंगे तो क्या इक्वेशन बन जाएगा? Tell me what the yes 2m square minus 5m plus 5. Very good, Akanksha from 10th B. Good, Akanksha. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so comparing 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0 with the standard form as, okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what will be the value of a, b and c? Anjali. Yes, correct. Ketki, Omkar, Manjima, Revati. Yes, Bhumi, Balaji, Samarth. Okay, 1, 2 name I have left, because it is not possible to read all the names. So let's see whose answer is correct. Now here the value of A is 2. Here the value of A is 2 and the value of B is -5. The value of C is 5. So simple that is. Now let's see the third question. That is y square equal to 7y. Now we have to compare with the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is standard form. Correct? Yes, Manjima, correct. Okay, you want back slide, Varsha. Okay, Varsha, take it fast. Take the screenshot and complete the notebook also. Just don't put the screenshot with you. Daily write it and then delete it. Write it, delete it. Because each and every subject screenshot you may taking. Correct, na? You are taking. Okay. So third question, y square is equal to 7y. Comparing y square minus 7y plus 0. Yes, constant term is 0. With standard form ax square plus bx plus c. Correct? So what is the value of a, b and c? What will be the value of a, b and c? Yes, very good. The value of A is 1, the value of B is -7, the value of C is 0. Okay, the value of A is 1, the value of B is -7, and the value of C is 0. I am seeing here, yes, correct. Shall we move to the next question now? Yes, so we will move to our second question. Solve using the formula. Correct? Solve using the formula. Okay. First question. X square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. On comparing with the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is A? A is 1. Correct? What is B? B is 6. What is C? C is 5. So what we will do, we will write b square minus 4ac. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? b square minus 4ac लिखेंगे और इसका वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लेंगे. So b is what? 6. So 6 square is what? 36 minus 4ac. 4 into a. The value of a is 1 and the value of c is 5. 5 fours are 20. So 36 minus 20. You can see here 36 minus 20 is equal to 16. Now we will write the formula. X is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now b square minus 4ac we know. हमको b square minus 4ac का value मालूम है, that is 16. Correct? So we will substitute here the value of 16. Now the value of b is 6. So it becomes minus 6 plus or minus under root 16. So 16 is a perfect square. What is the value of 16? 16 is a perfect square. Its value is 4. Yes, correct. Its value is 4. So what will happen now? X is equal to minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2. You can see here. X is equal to minus 6 plus minus 4 upon 2. Means one time plus, one time minus. So we can write x is equal to minus 6 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Okay? Is it clear? So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 upon 2. X is equal to minus 2 upon 2. X is equal to minus 2 upon 2, or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Minus 10 upon 2. Now divide it. So when minus 2 is divided by 2, the answer is minus 1. Is it clear? And when minus 10 upon 2, when minus 10 is divided by 2, the answer is minus 5. So we got the value of x is minus 1, or x is equal to minus 5. Is it clear? So simple. Correct? आसान है कि नहीं? Easy है कि नहीं बताओ? Tell in the chat box. Yes, very good. But here I am finding that not all the students joining the class. Okay, so tell your friend also to join the class. Is it clear? Next. Yes, we can see here second question. X square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the second question. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Now let's see what is the value of a. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 3. And c is equal to minus 2. Now you can find out b square minus 4ac first. To find out and tell me what is b square minus 4ac first. The value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 3, the value of c is minus 2. Yes, Manjima, I have given the first answer. Solve it and just write one answer in the chat box. सॉल्व करके भेजो b square minus 4ac. एक वर्ड मत डालो चैट बॉक्स में. Solve fully in your notebook. b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value and send the value in the chat box. First, Manjima have sent, Aditya have sent. Okay. और कौन है? Bhumi, send properly. Okay. Yes. Fast. Till the students are sending the message. Fast. Akanksha. Good. Balaji. Yes. Yes. Let's see now. Yes, correct. Omkar. Dhanshri. Dhanshri, your answer is wrong. Dhanshri, your answer is wrong. Lavya Adar, your answer is also wrong. Bhumi, your answer is also wrong. I want only b square minus 4ac. सिर्फ इतना चाहिए मुझे. b square minus 4ac. Very simple it is. Tell me what is the value of b first. b का वैल्यू कितना है? -3, करेक्ट? -3 स्क्वायर उसके बाद क्या है? -4ac, -4 a is 1, c is -2, so minus minus plus, so 4 into 2, 4 into 2, so 3 square is what? 9. 3 square is what? 9. 4 plus 4 into 2, that is 8. So 9 plus 8 is what? 17. Correct? Many students have given the correct answer, but few students were not able to solve it. So just try it again. Okay. So try it again. Okay. B square minus 4ac. So the value of B is, wait. Yes. The value of B is -3. So we can write it here. B square minus 4ac, the value of B is -3. So -3 square minus 4 into a, 1 into -2. So here minus minus will become plus. That's why 3 square is 9 here, and 4 minus 2 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. Now what we have to do? We have to write the formula. Which one? X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. But we know the b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is what? 17. B square minus 4ac क्या है? 17 है. So we will put 17 there. अब इसका perfect square नहीं है 17. So it will remain as it is. One time plus, one time minus. Here 2a. The value of a is 1. Correct? So x is equal to, see here, x is equal to 3 plus under root 17 upon 2. 3 plus root 17 and then divide by 2, or 3 minus root 17 upon 2. Now many students will tell, sir, why it is a plus 3 is there? Correct? Because the value of b is minus. In the formula, minus is there, and the value of minus b is root 3. So what will happen now? Minus minus plus. That's why it is 3. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Many students have replied and given the response. The students who are not responding, please respond in a chat box. Okay, now you understood? One time plus we have to write, one time minus we have to write. So the answer is 3 plus root 17 upon 2 and 3 minus root 17 upon 2. In this way, we can write. Okay, student? Okay. Shall we move to the next question now? Take the screenshot fast. Okay, done. Okay, very good. Do it fast. Now we are going to move to our next question. Is it clear? Yes. 3m square plus 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. On comparing with the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The value of a is what? The value of a is 3. The value of b is 2. And the value of c is 7. Now substitute in the formula. First, formula में substitute करो fast. The value of a is 3, the value of b is 2, the value of c is -7.
The value of C is -7. The value of C is -7. Now substitute in the formula. Which formula? X is equal to -b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2. Full under root it is, a pura under root hai. Okay? Is it clear? Solve it fast. I'm waiting for your reply. What will be the answer? Very interesting question. बहुत ही मजेदार क्वेश्चन है ये. Intelligent question. Yes. Dhanashri got the first answer. Yes, Dhanashri, you have sent the first answer. Dhanashri. Revati का आंसर रॉन्ग है बेटा, आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है. Dhanashri got the first answer. And next one is Shreya. Yes, Shreya. Anjali. Yes, your answer is right. Aditya. Your answer is right. Balaji, do it again. I want only b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. सिर्फ मुझे b square minus 4ac चाहिए और कुछ नहीं. Substitute in the formula b square minus 4ac. Fast. Ketki. Manjima. Yes. Love Yadav, do it again. आपका आंसर रॉन्ग आ रहा है बीबी. Bhumi. Yes. Yes, Love Yadav. Now it is correct. Okay. So do it fast, do it fast, do it fast. Yes, yes, do it, do it, do it. Fast. Okay. Wait, don't set the final answer now. So, see, the many students are ready to give the final answer. They are taking the permission. Shall I send the final answer? No, not now. We will solve and then you have to send when I will tell. Okay. Let's see how we are going to find out the correct answer. Okay. Correct answer कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग देखो. First of all, b square. This is b square. You can see here 2 square minus 4ac. 4a. A is 3. Correct. And c is -7. So here minus minus is what? Plus. ये minus minus क्या हो जाएगा? Plus हो जाएगा. ये 2 square क्या हुआ? 4 हो गया. Correct. Now minus into minus plus हो गया. देखो यहाँ पे. Correct. 4 into 3. 4 3 is 12. 12 into 7. Multiply it fast. 12 into 7. Okay. 12 into 7. Yes. 84. Correct. So what we will do? We will write 84. Now we know 4 plus 84 is what? 4 plus 84 is what? Yes, that is 88. Correct? So b square minus 4ac is what? 88. Now what we will do? We will write in a formula. Okay? हम लोग क्या करेंगे? फॉर्मूला में लिख देंगे. ये फॉर्मूला है ना हमारा, इसमें हम लोग सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. हमको मालूम है b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac का वैल्यू हमको कितना आया? 88 आया. तो क्या हुआ ये? -2 प्लस और माइनस अंडर रूट 88 अपॉन 2 into a. a is 3. So 2 into 3. Now what? Now 70 to 80%. बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं? यहाँ से 2 को डिवाइड कर देते. It is wrong. 100% is it wrong. ठीक है? It is wrong. It is -7 here. Revati, it is -7. Okay? So यहाँ पे जो -2 और 2 कैंसिल कर दिया है, क्या हो गया? Wrong हो गया ये. So what we have to do? हमको क्या करना चाहिए? we have to take the common. First of all, factorize 88 को factor निकालो, क्या निकल सकता है? What it will come first? 4 into 22, correct? 4 into 22. So 4 is a perfect square. 4 is a perfect square, correct? 4 is a perfect square. 4 into 22, 2 into 3, I have written here 6. नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. Now take 4 out of the root. Root के बाहर लेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 root 22, correct? क्या हो जाएगा? 2 root 22. It becomes -2 plus or minus 2 root 22 upon 6. Now take common from here. यहां से हम क्या ले लेंगे? कॉमन ले लेंगे. क्या ले लेंगे? कॉमन. सो क्या कॉमन लेंगे? 2 -1 will remain here, plus minus 22 upon 6 means what? 2 into 3. So 2 into 3. Now these 2 will cancel. So what remains now? क्या मिला अभी हमको? Yes, -1 plus root 22 upon 3. This way you have to do it. Okay, without taking common you cannot divide it. Many students do this question as a wrong. What they do, initially they divide here. Initially जो है स्टार्टिंग में ही वो डिवाइड कर देते हैं, यहाँ पे डिवाइड कर देते हैं. अगर आप यहाँ पे डिवाइड करते हो तो रॉन्ग है. Is it clear? Understood? Sure? Okay, good. किसी को कुछ डाउट है? Anyone have any doubt? No? Okay, good. Still, if a small doubt is also there, you can ask. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे सर हम लोग b square minus 4ac को डायरेक्ट क्यों नहीं सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं? कर सकते हो डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट, बट रॉन्ग होने का चांसेस परसेंटेज जो है ज्यादा हो जाता है. फर्स्ट यू सब्स्टिट्यूट इन b square minus 4ac एंड देन यू सब्स्टिट्यूट इन द फॉर्मूला. ओके, समझ में आया? Is it clear? Okay, let's see. So we have taken common here and then we have divided here and then we got -1 plus root 22 upon 3 or x is equal to -1 minus root 22 upon 3. Okay. So at the end we will write the answer, that is -1 plus under root 22 upon 3 or -1 minus under root 22 upon 3 are the root of the given quadratic equation. Is it clear? किसी को कुछ डाउट है? Please ask it. Again and again I am asking you. Okay, no problem na? Sure. So we have completed exercise 2.4. Now many students will say, sir, what is the question, homework? बहुत सारे लोग बोलेंगे सर होमवर्क क्या है? Okay, so we have completed here 2.4 exercise.